Hi, I'm Lisa with Blue Ribbon Realty, and I wanted to send a quick video message and wish you a very happy and warm Thanksgiving holiday this week. It has been an odd year, right? But I always look back at Thanksgiving and think about what I'm grateful for. And I actually am someone that wakes up every morning and is grateful that I woke up, and I'm happy to be alive. But this year, especially with starting Blue Ribbon Realty and it being its first year in business, I'm grateful and thankful for all of my clients, all of the overwhelming support that we have received, and my agents. I'm thankful for you. So thank you for being there and giving us a go, giving us a try, going to our website, letting us answer your questions. Real estate is my career. It's not just a job. I love what I do, and I care about the people I am helping. So I can't do it without the support of everyone out there. So thank you very much. I wish you a very warm and happy holiday. And I have some links below for some great recipes. So if you're someone that is having Thanksgiving at home for the first time this year and you're freaking out a little bit, don't worry about it. There's some really simple recipes that I have linked below. They're tried and true. They're by many of the most famous chefs right now in our country. They're all recipes I use. I have tried, and I use them any time of year. When I'm craving a pumpkin pie, it's the Libby's pumpkin pie recipe. You can buy a store-bought crust, or you can make one from scratch. And same thing, Alton Brown's macaroni and cheese. We probably have that once a month. Let me know if there's anything I could do for you. If you have a recipe that is tried and true for you and you would love to share it, I'd love to see it. I'd love to try your recipes. So please reply back and let me know. And have a great holiday. Have a safe week. Thank you. Bye-bye.